How to check what fuel type your thrifty rental needs. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. In the article of Thrifty Rentals, as it's written, what kind of gas fuel do I put in my rental vehicle? While most of their fleet in the United States uses regular unleaded, here are some ways to check the required fuel for your rental. Check the label inside the fuel door of the car, or check on your instrument panel, or you can check the vehicle owner's manual as well. So make sure you check all these three, and in one of them you will find what kind of fuel is required. And this is how to check what fuel type your thrifty rental needs. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.